I've got a little Coolster 110 ATV that I just got used, and couldn't figure out turning the key, set it to on, and whenever I would hit the button, nothing was happening here. Hitting the start button, nothing was happening. I made sure the brake is depressed. But what it ended up being, and I cleaned the cables, cleaned all these things, and I was able to jump it here. So the relay I knew was good, and I knew the battery was good enough to turn the relay. So I knew all that was working. I got 12 amps here and 12 amps here. But what it ended up being for me is there's two little cables here. So this one here had become unplugged. And so I just took that, plugged it back in, and now I'm getting a spark here, and I'm able to run it. So just a test you may want to check out. Thanks.